Alright, I'm trying to catch this without dying. That tree came down. Look at these lines. These lines came down. This tree just came down right now. The whole street is falling apart. We got live wires everywhere. I'm taking pictures. Our fence is gone. Lucky it's not the house. Well, that's our tree. But it's definitely started leaning last night. Look at that. That used to be upright. Ah, crap. What a cleanup. And just like that, I'm worried about that tree for the last 10 years. But as soon as they sprout some shoots, it'll be a nice little pleasant tree. And that's it. That's how a tree comes down. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you could, please subscribe, like, and share. We appreciate your support. The Lost RVers on a very, very, very non-RV kind of day. See you guys.